Like where we are standing now, the man is not at home, and the court with mobile court came to lock their place. That's intimidation of highest order.
Hey, ndị Igbo na-ebe, ndị nke nọ n'ama na-ebe, ndị nke nọkwa n'ụlọ na-ebe. Kedu na ife ndị Igbo ji isi wee kote na Nigeria? Kedu na ife anyị ji isi wee kote n'obodo anyị nọ? Ndị nke nọkwa na other steeti na-abụrụ anyị Igbo na-ebe. Otu a ka ndị nke nọkwa na anyị Igbo anyị asịkwa na-ebe. Ugbu a makwụzi ma esi akụlukwu ụlọ nwanụ nwokwuzi ma nke bụ nke. Because ndị nke bụ natakwu ya bụ akụ n'ụlọ nwanụ na-ebekwuzi akwa. Some of our governors now destroy some of their properties. Ndị nke nọkwu na outside anyị Igbo kwu. Ana complain kwu the same thing. Ihe ọbụla nchili kwu bụ onye ọbụla bụ onye ebe ọbụla na obi sie gị ike. Ebe ọbụla ị nọ, obi sie gị ike n'ihe niile na-efu na-eme. Ofu mbọsị ọ ga-ebe. Achọrọ m kunu kilie ihe onyonyo anụ a kunu ụfụ ihe ndị Kwara State gọọmenti na-eme ụmụnne anyị bụ ndị ke na-azụ afịa na Kwara State. Daalụkwanụ.
Some Igbo traders and businessmen under the aegis of the Igbo Traders Association have staged a peaceful protest against alleged intimidation of members over tax default allegations by the Kwara State Internal Revenue Service. The traders who took the protest to the State Revenue Court premises on Friday in Ilorin, the Kwara State capital, to register their concerns, said the allegations of tax default against members is false, insisting that the action of the revenue officials is capable of crippling their businesses. Officials of the revenue agency, according to the traders, stormed their shopping complexes with revenue mobile court to prosecute them, locking their business premises in the process without any form of prior notification or representation, insisting they are up to date in payment of their taxes and rates.
A union called Kwara, that's Kwara Igbo Traders Association, here in Ilorin, Kwara State. And even before the KWRS insection, we have been on existence, paying our taxes to the purse of the government without any problem. But what we are saying is that we are against mobile court to come to somebody's without even notification. Even though if there is any notification, there is an objection towards to that. And some of them are not at home, like where we are standing now, the man is not at home, and the court with mobile court came to lock their place. That's intimidation of highest order.
Once we finish collecting the money each year, we submit the name and give it to them. This continued until last year, while we have submitted the name of and the money of those who have paid for 2022. The tax office start writing our people individually and demanding for another tax for them. This our attention was drawn to this very development, and we called them what is happening. And most of our people they wrote to have already paid and have their receipt. Almost all of us have our receipt because we are the one who gathered this money by ourselves, and as our own people from the tax office. In fact, some of us have tax clearance certificates in three years interval. We will have all this receipt. But what they do is they will write our people demanding 700,000 per year, 1.5 million per year, 800,000 per year. When they reply then that we have already paid, we are paying, they will ask us to subtract what we have paid before from the new bill they gave us, thereby calculating like 10 years ago and giving us a just bill of 10 million, 15 million, 9 million, and that we must pay. While we go with our lawyer, discuss with them and trying to explain things to them that we have paid this tax up to 2022. What we are trying to pay now is 2023 tax, which by law we are supposed to start paying by November. But as our association concerned, we close our meeting by November and open February.
Responding to the allegations via telephone call, the Corporate Affairs Department of the Kwara State Internal Revenue Service, on behalf of the Executive Chairman, Shade Omaniyi, said the revenue agency conducted the mobile court to prosecute tax defaulters in the state to ensure tax compliance. Olufemi Akobi, AIT News, Ilorin.